Well, my name's Kenneth and welcome to a new season of SalemWalkingTours.com. So we're standing here in front of 21 Chestnut Street here in the McIntyre district. Beautiful section of Salem, a particularly beautiful street, Chestnut Street. But this staircase here, on June 26, 1833, President Andrew Jackson walked up this staircase, entered through this door, and went up to the middle floor there, where he was entertained in the ballroom. You might wonder why. You might wonder why President Andrew Jackson was here on this street in this particular house. It was somewhat of a thank you for the president. You see, the United States of America had sent a ship. Andrew Jackson, the president, sent a ship to Kuala Batu in Sumatra to avenge the attack of a Salem ship called the Friendship of Salem. And that story is related by the master of that ship, Charles Endicott, the master of the ship, who very fortunately survived an attack of piracy on his ship that had crew and officers totaling 17 men. And there was an absolute conspiracy to murder each one of the men, each one of the crew, each one of the officers in exchange for money. In any case, that attack did not go completely successful. It rather reads like a story from Indiana Jones, and it's quite an adventure, and I tell that on my tour from time to time. There's even a comic book version. It became so popular, the story, through the ages. Needless to say, the ship's attack was avenged a year later, and the president ended up coming to New England to escape some of the political firestorm that ensued afterwards. And certainly the people who owned the ship, who lived here, were very welcoming to that president who took a personal interest in their business dealings. Salem Walking Tours.